My name is Meethi. I live in Vidyanagar and that is my house. One day, some birds came flying. Then one bird came and sat on my roof. The bird laid some eggs. Then the eggs broke and some Chhotus came out. One Chhotu started walking off the roof. Chhotu fell. What will happen to Chhotu? Will the dog eat him? Or the cat? Will the car go tish? No! I went running and Chhotu was still alive. I picked him up and Daddy said, call Vidyanagar Nature Club. They will look after Chhotu. So I called 2692230143 and they came to take Chhotu away, and that is how Chhotu became Motu.